Hi guys. So I wanted to work on my fridge today. It's so nasty. Like, I almost don't want to show you guys. It's so gross. It's another one of those, oh my god, I cannot believe I let it get so bad moments. But yeah, and my kitchen is a disaster. My whole house, really, my whole house. But let me show you my fridge. I haven't been to the grocery store, but what the even is that? Like, what happened? It's so gross. It is really probably the nastiest I've ever seen my fridge. I don't even know what got spilt in there. I have like different soups and crap just like spilled everywhere. Really? Really? And then even like all kinds of leaf particles down there. Holy smokes. All right. So let's go ahead and get started and do something about that fridge. It's so bad.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in mine.
Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for stopping in. I appreciate all of you guys coming by each time I post a video. And if you're new, I do lots of cleaning motivation. I do some grocery hauls, which I will be putting out another grocery haul tomorrow. If you are interested, make sure you subscribe. And yes, I am using a vacuum in my fridge. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. But I wanted to pop on and just let you guys know I don't use like a lot of different cleaning products. This is just Dawn dish soap and bleach. I wanted to get this fridge nice and sanitized and clean. It was so gross. I had been putting off cleaning it for such a long time. I couldn't even tell you how long, to be honest. It was just so nasty. It was well overdue.
I'll let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
Washing the shelves, I think, took the longest out of this whole cleaning of my fridge, but I am still using the bleach and the Dawn and totally forgot to put my gloves back on. I definitely noticed it later. My hands were so dry. It was just like lotion, 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 lotion all day. And yeah, you guys, if you're using bleach products, make sure you're wearing your gloves. It just tears up your skin.
I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm running. I see a train rolling certain things.
So I am using my new dish towel that I got from Hobby Lobby. I think it was last week. Oh man, I just love these things. They are so cute. I like the spring colors, how it's like the rainbow colors. There's pink ones and orange ones and yellow ones. But I'm having a really hard time finding a really nice kind of spring summer kitchen rug to put in my kitchen, so that way it kind of ties it all together. I want nice happy colors in there, and probably during the summer I am going to completely repaint the entire kitchen and take that black off, and I don't know, I could change my mind like 5 more times before anything actually gets done. I am finally finished. Yay! Here is a quick little preview of what it looked like before. Super nasty. And what it looks like now. So clean and sanitized. Now I can do all my Ibotta shopping. Make sure you guys subscribe so that way you don't miss tomorrow's Ibotta haul. Alright you guys, see you later. Bye.